Hello everyone, welcome back to I Know Indonesian channel. Today we are going to learn various repair tools in Indonesian language. Are you excited? Let's get started. Gergaji tangan, gergaji tangan, handsaw. Gergaji mesin, gergaji mesin, jigsaw. Gunting, gunting, scissors. Screw, screw, screw. More, nut. Baut, baut, bolt. Martil, martil, mallet. Kunci Inggris, kunci Inggris. Wrench or spanner. Meteran, meteran, tape measure. Clamp, clamp, clamp. Pemotong kawat, pemotong kawat, wire cutters. Kapak, kapak, axe. Paku, paku, nail. Palu, palu, hammer. Amplas, amplas, sandpaper. Tang, tang, pliers. Obeng, obeng, screwdriver. Bor, bor, drill. Mata bor, drill bit. Lem tembak, glue gun. Soldering iron, soldering iron, soldering iron. Solder or patri, solder. Pahat, pahat, chisel. Linggis, linggis, crowbar. Waterpass, waterpass, spirit level. Plaster, plaster, tape. Now let's test ourselves. Can you name these repair tools into Indonesian language? Please write down in the comment section below. That's all for today. Hope to see you in the next video. Sampai jumpa, see you.